Okay, Data Tree Consulting Group. We got a new fire. Looks like it's close to Fish Camp, north of Oakhurst, on your way to Yosemite. So if we take a look at our CalTopo here, zoom out a little bit for you, give you a reference here in California, north of Fresno, a little bit north of Oakhurst. Here's Oakhurst and Bass Lake, and Highway 41 on your scenic route to Yosemite National Park. Here's our fire. Looks like a pretty new event going on, and it is a wildfire. If we go over here to our NC Web, you can see they've called this the Washburn Fire, and we'll get a little bit of information on that. Approximately 46 acres. This was updated 23 minutes ago. Right, let's get back into our CalTopo. Try to get a size for you here. Distance-wise, we're looking at approximately 3.5 miles wide, extremely close to Highway 41. Looks like it may even be going over the highway. So just south of Wawona. Let's get a GPS coordinate here and jump onto Google Earth. And here we go. So definitely a mixed forest, but a lot of conifer trees in the area. This is probably an older photo. It might be a little bit more browned out, and it is definitely getting into the hotter summer months here, summer days. Going to be a lot of fuels on the ground in the area. A little bit harder to control these type of burns. I have seen some little bit of overhead traffic, some type of airplane probably dropping some water on the fuel here, trying to suppress this event. So you got Highway 41 right here. Let's go back and get that westernmost portion where we're getting some heat signatures. Let's go ahead and go right about here. So we have on several different types of heat detection. We have our GOES and VEERS. But if we go to that actual hot spot, and let's see where that puts us. So it puts us just at Highway 41. So I would imagine if we drove up there and took a look, we would see that CAL FIRE and fire response is probably dug in on this area. So if you are headed to Yosemite, I'm not sure if it's open right now or not. Mariposa Grove, Welcome Plaza. So if we threw this onto our Google Maps, we may get some better information and probably give us a little bit more updated info of what the traffic and everything is looking like here. So yeah, it's Friday, right around 10:30 a.m., July 8th, and it might not be the best time to head to Yosemite. I am in Oakhurst right now, and I've seen that there's a lot of tourists in the area. I'm not sure if maybe the road is closed and maybe that's why they're hanging out, or if they're just getting their coffee and stuff down here where it might be a little bit quicker, more affordable before they're heading into the valley. Okay, we will follow.